Hey guys, it is me, Ryan, and in today's video we will be doing a wax review for Sexy Smooth using their Tickled Pink. This is her in the pot, a bright Barbie pink. I'm obsessed. And in today's video we will be doing my underarms. It's been about 4 weeks since I last waxed them, so it's about time. Now, Tickled Pink is a rosin-free, cruelty-free, scent-free, and it's vegan. So anybody that has sensitivities to fragrance and just the skin can't handle, this is really good because she has no smell. Now, the dry time on this wax is crazy. It dries super quick. So if you are a speed waxer or you're looking into getting into speed waxing, I would definitely say pick up a bag, try her out. This is definitely going to test your speed and how fast you can go and how fast you can get people in and out. Gonna rip off that first strip. 1, 2, boom, gone. Pressure. This is her. It took off the bulk of my hair for the first strip, which is really nice, and it also got off some dead skin, which is good from a lack of exfoliation. So now we're gonna do the second strip. This is gonna be going down because this is the cleanup. Gonna make her a lot thinner just to try and get those stragglers. When I used this wax, my temperature on the pot was about 140 and it laid super nice. Didn't give me any issues, which is also nice. So your pot does not have to be super hot. You're not going to burn anyone using this, which is good. And the strip is done and now it's going to come off. And I'm going to rip this one a little slower just because it's a cleanup. So I'm going to stagger it to try and get up those little stubborn hairs. Boom, it's on. Just took off some more dead skin and a couple of little hairs. I did do my cleanup off camera as well. I do love this wax. 10 out of 10. Does really good. Leaves you clean. Didn't irritate you. I wasn't red. Get it.